What's up, guys? Today we are reviewing this video called the giant Japanese Hornet versus European Wasp, and it's kind of fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna watch the whole thing because let's just view what happens here. Oh, that is so screwed up. Literally, just look at that. That is disgusting. I kind of want to throw up right now. Look how big that Hornet is. The giant? So the big one is the Japanese one. The small ones are the European ones, which is kind of ironic, since it's kind of the other way around for humans. But nonetheless, this is fucked up. Let's just fast forward. So some cruel person decided to capture all these people and then make them fight in this little tiny cage. That's just screwed up. They're clearly trying to get out, and whoever is filming this is clearly trying to get them to kill each other. That's just screwed up in so many ways. Let's just fast forward to the end, see who won. Oh, the giant one won. Okay, yeah. Either the giant one won, or this guy just literally just straight up took the tiny ones out of the cage to make it look like the giant Hornet won. They don't fight. These people don't fight. They just pollinate honey. Anyhow, that's all I gotta say. Kind of screwed up. Let me know your thoughts and subscribe.